TF, Terrence Franklin, and Julian Luce. Yo TF, rap for the honeys. Yeah, you know it. The time has come for you to know what a real man and a good man can do for you. Come into my room, check what I got for you. I die for you, man, I do the thoughts or about. Yeah, you know it. Don't you know, girl, you are the one I wanna live with. You look so sexy, class, I love the way you shine. For real. I would do anything to achieve your dreams, honey. Please believe me, it's coming straight from my heart. You are my life. Nothing can come between you and me. Even though we went through bad times, sorrows and all that shit, all I know is that I wanna spend my life with you through bad weather. I'll be your coat to protect your heart. I'll always be there and take good care of you. Anytime, anywhere, together in another world. I'll always be there and take good care of you. Anytime, anywhere, together in another world. While other guys hurted you, I've always been the one to take good care of you. It's been harsh to see them hurting you, beating you, then kissing you. All I know from now, I've always been the one to make you feel good despite of bad times. I'll be there to feel your heart. I'll always be there and to take good care of you. Anytime, anywhere, together in another world. I'll always be there and to take good care of you. Anytime, anywhere, together in another world. I'll always be there and to take good care of you. Anytime, anywhere, together in another world. I'll always be there and to take good care of you. Anytime, anywhere, together in another world. Terrence Franklin, J. Luce, still there for the honeys. Yeah. In a summer night, like a fool walking in Paris streets, I try to keep a hope to see you once again. Why you did me wrong? I ask many questions, thinking about all the shit you did. You began when I left the home alone, trying to find a job, not to hang around. Why did you turn back? I did that to keep your mind and to make all that shit in between us fine. I know it will take you some time to put your trust in me. All I will give you is the joy